So, hi loves! I'm going to unbox a parcel today. So, this is the parcel. It's quite heavy. And this is the other one. The seller didn't put anything on it. Yeah, the seller just put like this here, their buyer. The seller didn't put anything. So, this is the big one, the small one. So, let's open first the smallest parcel in the world. So here is loves. I ordered the ice bag in online because I'm going to make a ice. Yeah, it's ice bag. So it's open this other parcel. So quite heavy. Yeah, and it's just a big box in it. And the seller puts a lot of tape. Yeah, so it's a struggle is real in opening it. There's lots of tape. At least it's super secure, you know. You should thank the seller because the product is super secure because of that tape. Yeah. Super secure product in the world. Shooty. Guess what it is? You should guess what it is. You should guess what it is. Shooty. Let me see. Life here. Still life. Shooty. The struggle is real. My God. Super secure. Yeah. So here it is now. I think I can see what is on now. It's okay. I can share all of you what's inside. Look at the box. So here it is, loves. Expiry is 2028. Say no to harsh ingredients. It's a body wash, loves. Gentle but Watson's Love My Little Ones. Hypoallergenic, dermatologically tested, added moisturizing sunflower oil. Here it is, love. Yeah, so it's heavy because it's 850 ml. Yeah, I have lots of body wash now. Yeah. So that's the order. I think I'm going to unbox it as well. It's parcel. So I'll put it here. Your buyer, like that. So that's all, loves. Thank you so much for watching, loves. Till my next video. Bye.